Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to navigate to a point using Juniper's Uinta. So if you have a pre-stored point with known coordinates that you want to be able to navigate to in the field. So what I've done to begin here is I've placed a series of points and lines well far away from my true location, just to give you a good example of how this works. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select one of my points here. So I'm going to click on the screen to select the point. What that's going to do is it's going to bring me up a menu to select the ones that are very close to each other. In my case, I'm going to be staking to point number 1. When I click that point, what you see is the information for the point appear. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click the navigate option. What that's going to do is it's going to bring me into that point. So you can see here, I'm located all the way in Calgary. Obviously, this point is nowhere near there. It's over 1,000 kilometers away. But what you can see is I get a horizontal distance, a movement direction, and a direction heading. And what I can do, you can see here is my live position shows where I am, and the orange line shows the line I must follow for the most direct line to that point. And there's a couple different things I can do here. If I'm moving around on the map screen, I can click recenter at the bottom to recenter my point on the screen. I can also change my navigation method. So if I want the navigate course up option, I can click that compass. And if I want it to be just the north as the up direction, I can also switch between those two toggles to make it a little bit easier to follow my point in to where I need to go. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you navigate to or stake to a point within Juniper's Uinta. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.